Question setting sila promotion of exam schedule sila. First point I na hek pamdari ba target hai question setting se already I na khanbada ozat se class.
Ako'y carbon dioxide hybrid nungsa so on ba madamda ako'y na score ko do ba madamda din ko rin. Hybrid ko rin ko ko sina ako'y na candle la may mo ta madamda sinilay hybrid ang anda do na experimentation. Plus, hydro carbon dioxide na amu balloon nama ball se dikil to kaya marami ball ang makakama matanda ako'y yung carbon dioxide na ball na sa dikil to na ano na kasi ako'y na hydro experiment ito na ba kita magkaroon magpapatsan niya
para akiba para brain sila kitang utilize tawag question December o hybrid ba ay adu na tela sini another one si mark ako sina mark kun siya mark nga ibang yak sa ano ni second naman da minute ani na question December loy niya adu isana kitang ta kiba para manung ja hando pero kitang December o hybrid ay na hybrid question setting sila promotion of exam schedule sila adu ka nahan sila ida period ba first point I na hek pamdari ba target hai question setting se already I na khanbada ozat se class Aruna question sida what is hybrid define easy question minor knowledge question understanding question application question minor ayoi adu 100% idagi question we amfazana su modify su tawbane last year tawbade 100% ina question amfazana hayeng bai ka tawbana dum khana ani ko mayam se Question G, mark ama pibado 1 into 3 define the following or define the term is there give the statement of the following ka minus minus question that then will be the statement of the to never statement of the there is a knowledge question or the tricky question banana sinani adu first point committee for teachers and the students. Committee for teachers and the students is compulsory. Last in the committee, I must say we may discuss in any problem. Problem I hit discuss the way. Besides this, after single, after having one and all student is not permitted only maximum of 10 students for different communities. Different communities here, imagine the Muslim another one is the scheduled caste, scheduled caste, already Meitei community mga sila siya bali. Aduna makoy ani magi koy baya na every class section dili sa ani na talaga mga talaga siya baya. Another one si masi siya mapas natin mo na knowledge ma kay ko kada do si group discussion sila yaw na bali na makoy ko ba Another one is debate. Debate who is drawing values. Another debate is a specific topic. X term is this way X symbol is this drugs related X topic sida among company inaga mo masama-sama students na it will be more effective to the students as well as to the student communities as well as to the society and as well as they have gained some knowledge. Because as interest any other society, that my friends have done this spreading knowledge, spread knowledge. Next is Solgan nearby or locality of the school. Solgan said, "Ako'y drug-free state ako LSC, at drug-free school of LSC, ako'y gisali na kay locality sa drug-free community ang LSC, kaya sa Solgan sige matagta ato pa ba sito kaya Martin Tower ka halapan natin nagdagat tigay mamata ako'y International Drugs Day sa 22nd June sito ako na doon ang kupigaya. Another one, storytelling. Storytelling, sinakaraba, angang dapat iya kabada. Ako'y na angang masama-sama sa kung talaga class at 6